Hello, people. What's up? That's me, Mandeep this side. And as I told earlier, that we'll have a tutorial on something called Python. So I'll tell you some basic and advanced version. Basically, I'm a Python developer. I don't think my introduction is important at this point of time. The only thing that is important for you to know, so I'm going to teach you something on basic on Python. I'll teach you on Spider, I'll teach you on Jupyter Notebook. So let's get started. First thing, you need to go to Anaconda prompt. This is a prompt. I'm not going to tell you that how exactly to install and all those things. I don't think that I need to go through that steps, because I'll be teaching you some advanced steps. Okay, let's get started. So here in Anaconda prompt, you just need to type pip space install pandas. So basically I already have pandas installed on my PC, so I think we'll go with the next step. But if you are fresh or if you are installing Spider for the first time, then you just need to go ahead and install pandas, and we'll also install numpy. This has also been installed in my system, so we'll click exit and let's get started. So today I'm going to teach you something called as data frames. Data frame is nothing but it's an I'll tell you an Excel file, basically in sheet in Excel, which have an row and columns. So first we'll go ahead with open Spider. If you did not open it, I already opened it. Now we'll go ahead with the next step. We'll go ahead with the step called as first we'll import the libraries pandas as PD. It's not that you always install pandas as PD. You can also do something called as MP, but we refer pandas always in this one, so I use PD and everybody goes to the same thing. Now we'll create a data frame called as df. Okay, or I'll write data underscore frame. Okay, I think that's good, because everybody gives you a statement that df is always been denoted as data frame, so I denote my data frame as data frame, writing all the name. Okay, now I'll write pd dot data frame. Okay, and now open the bracket and the flower bracket as well. I'll write index. Okay, dex. Okay, and I'll give in value a comma b comma c comma d comma e comma f. Okay, and now I always do this because I'm basically a SQL developer, so I'm SQL analyst, so I always follow the steps, and I'll make column 2. Okay, here I'm going to write 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, and that's last thing what exactly I'll be doing here. Column 3 column 3. I'll write something. I'll write AA comma BB comma CC comma DD comma EE comma FF. Okay. Uh, so now we'll run this code. Let's see what's the result I got. Suppose yeah, that's fine. Yep. Yes. Now the data frame has been created, and you can see these are the rows and these are the columns. So we made 3 columns: index, column 2, column 3. So basically, now we will have. Well, now we have successfully created a data frame. Now we'll see something called as head. Head. Okay, you can see this side that it's only printing 4 values. 30 from head means it starts from the top 4. Okay, if I'm giving here as tail, it will print bottom 4. So this is for the first tutorial. In the next tutorial we'll go ahead with a lot of things. Stay connected. Thank you for watching.